Hello everyone, welcome to SRVPS online classes. I am Vishali Gupta and now we will start today our next topic of chapter 4, that is lattice multiplication. Basically it's another method of multiplying which I am going to tell you today how we have to do. What is the meaning of word lattice? There is no specific meaning. Basically lattice is a kind of figure which I will make here. For multiplying these two numbers, earlier what I used to do? I used to simply multiply these two numbers like this, but today by making a lattice. Lattice means by making a box, and here are four numbers. So I'll be making four columns here because there are four numbers. So I'll be making four columns here so that I can write one number over each column. And here are only two numbers. So basically we need only two boxes. 4 and 2. So this is a kind of lattice we have made, a figure we have made to solve one multiplication problem. So 360 means upside four numbers are there, so four columns. And then we have to multiply with a two-digit number. So we will make in between one line means two columns or two rows this way, right? So now what I am going, second step is to put a line diagonally in between these rectangles. To put a line, slanting line is diagonal line in between these rectangles, and then now we'll start solving. This is a figure which we have made. अभी हम यहाँ पे क्या करते थे? With 2 we used to multiply this, then this, then this, then this. हम यहाँ लिखते थे. Then a sign of multiply. उसके बाद ये इससे. Every number we used to multiply. Basically same thing we have to do in this question as well. Exact same thing. But अभी हमें क्या करना है? 4 into 0. When we multiply a number with 0, answer comes out to be 0. But यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे places है, मैं किसमें लिखूं? So every rectangle is for every number. इन दोनों को multiply करने के लिए ये दो place मुझे मिले हैं. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. So I should write here or here. So when there would be one digit number, I always have to write it downside. और जब दो digit number होंगे तो दोनों में आ जाएंगे. 4 ones are 4. Again one digit number, 4 ones are 4. So I will write here. 4 6 are 24. So I will write 2 here and 4 here. Now 4 3s are 12. So 1 here and 2 here. Simple I have written. On these places I have not written anything. No number was there. So I'll put a simple 0. So I have multiplied 4 with all these line wise with ones digit, tens, hundred and thousand digit. Same I will do with 2. Here we used to multiply first 2 then 4. Here also we can do first 2 and then 4 क्योंकि उससे कोई difference नहीं बन रहा. हमें लिखना तो वहीं पे ही है ना, चाहे 2 को पहले कर लो चाहे 4 को. So now I start multiplying 2 with all these numbers one by one. When 2 multiply with 0, it will be 0. When 2 multiply with 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 2 3s are 6. So basically these three places are empty, so I will put 0. अभी हमें क्या करना है? This is not the answer done for us. Now we will do addition. अब हमें addition कैसे करना है? Students बहुत ध्यान से देखती हैं ये चीज. Addition we will do like this. Diagonal lines. Basically lattice method यही होता है कि diagonally add करना है. हम उस क्वेश्चन में तो straight add करते थे. इसमें देखो ये जो diagonal slanting line है इसके बाद क्या नंबर है? 0. So I will write 0 here. अब इन तीनों को जो इन दो लाइंस के बीच में नंबर है, इन दो लाइंस के स्लैंटिंग लाइंस के, I will add all these numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 2 2. Now these full line between these two lines, whatever numbers are there, means this one and this. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Here all these 4 I will add. 0 plus 4 4, 5 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. यहाँ पे 2 digit आएंगे, so we will leave it here. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 0 4 only. तो अभी मैं इसको ऐसे लगा के इसके साथ ही लिख दूंगी. Then here 1. So this is not my complete answer. We have almost reached our answer, but this is not complete answer. Final answer. See how to write the final answer. See, we start taking numbers from back side और हम सब में से one digit लेते जाएंगे. That will be our final answer. From this I have taken 0 because it was one number only. From this I have taken 2 because it was one digit only. Here 6 because it was only one digit. अभी यहाँ क्या करूं, यहाँ पे तो 2 डिजिट नंबर है, तो जब भी 2 डिजिट नंबर होता है एडिशन में तो मैं लास्ट डिजिट तो पीछे लिख देती हूँ और पहले वाली को उससे पहले वाली में भेज देती हूँ ऐड करने. व्हाट आई हैव डन हियर, द बैक साइड डिजिट आई हैव केप्ट हियर एज अ आंसर. दिस इज माई फाइनल आंसर. और जो पहले वाली डिजिट थी वो मैंने उससे पहले वाले नंबर में ऐड होने के लिए भेज दी. 4 + 1 is 5. So now my here one number is 5 और यहाँ पे क्या था 1. So one number is 1. So my final answer is 151620. It means 1,51,620. So I hope this is clear. Let's do one more question to make it more clear to you. Very simple method. This is a very simple method of multiplication. So let's take two numbers 2, 7, 4, 2 multiply by let's take 42. Okay, 41. Let's take this time 43. Okay, again we will make a box. Again I have made a box here. So I want four digits are here, so I want 4 columns here. So very fastly I'll be writing 4 columns here. Here I want 2 digits, so I'll put a line in between 43. So next rule was to make the diagonal lines, means to making 2 parts of these rectangles. Done. Now other part is to multiply. Let's start multiplying. 4 2s are 8. 1 digit is there, so I will be writing downside, and upside I'll be writing a 0. Now 4 4s are 16. Simple written. 4 7s are 28. So 2 here, 8 here. 4 2s are 8. जब 1 डिजिट आता है तो उसे नीचे वाले में लिखते हैं और ऊपर वाले में 0. क्योंकि अगर मैं 8 यहाँ लिख दूंगी तो 0 मुझे यहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा. It would become 80, which is wrong. Now it is 8 only. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 here, 0 here. 3 4s are 12. 1 2. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 6 here, 0 here. So one thing done. Now let's start adding these. अभी यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है इस वाले में 6. Here what is coming? 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 2 10. So I have written जिसका आंसर है उसके नीचे लिख दूंगी अभी. 0 plus 6 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. इसका भी 2 डिजिट आ गया. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So यहाँ 10. And this is 0. It's our wish. If we want to write 0, we will write. So now what will be our final answer? हम सब में से 1 डिजिट लेते जाएंगे. And whatever will be left, जो डिजिट बच जाएगा वो उससे पहले वाले में ऐड हो जाएगा. So from here we will take 6. From here we will take only 0. अब इस 1 का क्या करूं? इससे पहले वाले में ऐड हो जाएगा. So it has become 9 now. So 9 is the number. अभी यहाँ पे 17 है तो मैं सिर्फ 7 I will take here and 1 I will carry here. 1 I will add in this. So 10 क्या बन गया? 11. अभी देखो बेटा 7 would be 7. अभी यहाँ पे 11 है लेकिन अब यहाँ से मैं 1 डिजिट तो ले लूंगी. This 1 will be added in this 0. So this will become 1. तो यहाँ पे एक और नंबर क्या आ गया? 1. So my final answer here is 117906. It means 1,17,906. कंफ्यूज नहीं होना एडिशन में. आई टेल यू वन थिंग, अगर ऐसे नंबर्स आ रहे हैं ना कुछ, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. दिस इज द 4th स्टेप एडिशन. तो हम लास्ट का एक डिजिट ले लेंगे और पहले वाले को सिंपली इसमें ऐड कर दो. फिर यहाँ पे 18 आ गया तो अब इसका 8 ले लिया एंड दिस 1 आई विल एड इन दिस. अब यहाँ 10 आ गया. सो फ्रॉम हेयर आई विल टेक 0. बस पीछे वाला नंबर लेते जाओ और आगे वाला ऐड करते जाओ. 3. So now 3 I have taken. So here answer is 3088. This is an example only which I have taken. This is a complete question. So I hope you don't get confused in this plus thing. How we have to do. Last digit we will take and the first digit means 1st digit we will take and 10th digit we will send to other number. उसे पहले वाले नंबर पे to get added. So I hope this is clear to you. Do practice of this. That's all from my side. Thank you.